In the Emirates ATP rankings, Andy Murray remains at number 1, with Rafael Nadal second. Switzerland's Stan Wawrinka stays in third, Novak Djokovic is fourth. In fifth, it's Halle champion Roger Federer. Up to sixth is Queen's finalist Marin Cilic. In seventh, it's Canada's Milos Raonic, with Austria's Dominic Thiem in eighth place. In the Emirates ATP doubles rankings, Halle champions Kubot and Melo cement top spot, ahead of Continent and Piers. Then come Queen's champions Murray and Suarez. In fourth, it's the Bryan brothers. Dodig and Granollers are fifth, with French Open champions Harrison and Venus in sixth, Cabal and Farah are seventh, ahead of Klaassen and Ram in eighth place.